Hey guys, so we are back in today. Ari will gonna be trying to give his feedback regarding the new KQi3 MAX. You guys can see. There we go. And this is what it looks like, right?
Has a bell.
So what are the basic stuff?
So first we have like regenerative braking, which you don't even have to press the brakes; it just automatically stops for you. But it's not that hard. But also, it's also called a triple brake system if you wanted to, because
brake system.
Yeah, because they have two brakes and one regenerative braking, and then
they got this nice LED light in the front that is always on. There are two modes.
So this is
the low mode.
Low mode, and this is.
So you double click. You guys cannot see it, but there is two lights in there.
Yep.
So which one are you double clicking, buddy?
It's the on button. You double click it, and
so just the on button. It's very touch sensitive, right?
Yes. No, it's not really. You have to
Okay.
You have to push it on.
And then you guys can see this green one here. So it's kind of like the high beam. Yeah, so that's the high mode, right?
Yeah.
And then, so there is a disc brake, right? No disc brake. Oh, it's on the other side. So there is a disc brake over there, and another disc brake over here.
And then this is the hub motor right here. This big one. See the
hub motor over there. And then there is the braking light, which is pretty nice.
See, look, it turns on the brake.
So when he is braking, you guys can see it's blinking. So everybody knows if you guys are driving at nighttime, then it shows that it is braking. And how fast can it go?
So right now I have it set up to 18 or 19 miles per hour right now, but it can go 24.
Wow. So if Ari is a 10, but I know it says there for 14 and up, but you guys just have to make sure you wear a helmet. And there is also a slow mode on here.
Yep.
How many miles per hour is?
When you first get it, it goes 9 miles per hour, and then you can adjust it to whichever one you want. And if you go to sports mode, goes max.
What is the max again?
24.
24. How many watts is this one? I think it's 500. We don't really know.
Yeah, it's not sort of waterproof either.
So he got it.
Over water, then
it's not completely waterproof, but it's water resistant.
Yeah.
So as you guys can see,
a kickstand.
I think it's about 25. How heavy is it supposed to be?
I think 64, 65
pound.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna go give a better review next time. But as you guys can see, this is what it looks like in the front. So it charges pretty quick, and this line here is the one that shows you how many more batteries left. Correct?
Yes.
So right now there is 4 more left. And you can hook it up on a Bluetooth. As you guys can see, there is this blinking Bluetooth over here. So you know if you pair it on your phone, it shows you how many miles you have used or drive around, and also the total, and also the whole route.
Yeah, and
it's really well made.
Some scooters, they have this. Whenever you press it down, it goes forward. And
that one?
Throttle, yeah. And not throttle, like you push this back like that.
So when you make it start, what do you do exactly? How do you start it?
So you can put 2 modes, like whatever you like. I'm not gonna start it. I'm just gonna start. There's 2 modes. You have to push it and then push the throttle. And then,
so you just push the throttle, press it, or this one? Are you pressing this one?
I'm pressing this.
Okay, so that's the go.
Yeah, and then when you got this one, for the mode that I have on right now, is you push then go.
Okay, so there are kind of 2. So it's just cruising.
Yeah, and then you can set it up to you stand on it, then you go.
So can you use it without electricity, just like a normal scooter?
No.
No?
It still turns on regenerative braking, because it's just gonna stop yourself.
Really?
Yes.
So you have driven this one during a little bit raining, right?
Yes.
So what was that experience like? Well, you want to go looking at?
It's like slippery. Whenever you brake, I'm braking with the rear, so it just kind of just slides sort of
So you really have to be careful when there
Yeah.
are water on the ground.
Yeah, and leaves especially.
Yeah, the wet leaves. Also, the tires, I think they are puncture proof.
Yes,
So
they
when it gets,
auto heal.
they auto heal. So if you puncture these,
And then
Yes.
you remove the nail, it has like a sticky substance in here
yeah.
that like refills it or whatever.
So it's not really, it's a pretty good one. It's the kind that you really have to inflate. Is this the kind that you can inflate? But it's not the kind that is for outdoor. What do you call that one?
Wet compound.
Not the wet compound, the one that you go to
Off-roading.
off-roading.
Yeah, this is for dry.
This is for dry because the off-roading they
Concrete.
have a shack and also the tires are fatter and bigger.
Yeah, and
So
it has
this is-
suspension. This one
So this is like what, 3 inches wide, I think, and it's not a sticky kind. As you guys can see, it's pretty smooth. So when it is really wet, then it's gonna be hard. But there is the bell, right?
Yep.
Okay, show how does the bell ring. It's pretty loud.
Yeah, and then
Loud
it has
enough to
a-
let somebody know you're
Has a
coming,
screen,
right?
has a screen protector. Not screen protector really, but if there's like rain or something, it blocks the screen.
Oh yeah, so this is kind of like a
Shield.
There's a shield, so it doesn't go.
So it
And-
just like goes over.
And then you can also buy a bag that you can just
Yeah, it
attach
just
here. I don't know if
hooks
the
up here.
NIU have it, but if you go to Amazon or some places, you can buy
Should I
something
just
like
ride
that.
it around like?
Okay, we'll go try out a little bit. And so Ari will gonna go show us.
I'm just gonna ride around like in circles maybe.
Okay, not too fast,
Yeah.
so we can showcase it for a few minutes.
I move.
You move, so you guys can see. There's Ari.
Okay.
So this is not an off-road, so that's why he's having a hard time just going on a grass, and this is basically just a grass. Okay, there you go, Max. First stopping. Takes off really fast without an issue. Charging is super duper fast, so you guys can see he's taking off without a problem. So the good thing is around here we got a lot of trails that he can go without worrying about getting hit by a car. But you really have to be careful about people around. So goes. Brake pretty fast, right? And very, very quiet,
Yeah.
which is super awesome.
I'm gonna go like somewhat max speed on it.
Okay, well let those people pass first, and then we'll see your max speed. Okay, go. Okay, go.
No, there's people up there.
No, right here, just like that, and then I'll just follow you with a camera. See, I think the handlebar is pretty strong. That you can, if you guys gonna go on a shop, it will do okay. Just a few bags, I guess. And then I see a lot of people who lives around here just have electric scooter to go to work, which is super nice.
I want to see the difference.
Okay, well, before you go, come on, buddy. Before you see the duckies, you're gonna have to say bye, everyone.
Let's go over here.
Okay, you go over there. So the light in the front is always on.
Yeah.
You cannot turn it off. Unfortunately, hopefully it's an easy one to replace once it burns out, but it's a very, very nice, well made. These are like the grape.
grippy.
Yeah, it's super nice, like the silicone. I don't know, but it's not the kind that makes your hands slip. So
Yeah.
that is a big, big
And also I
plus.
have like,
And Ari have his gloves,
it's like,
so it's really, really
yeah, see, it
protected.
just kind of.
Okay, so there you go, guys. That is Ari's version, like a quick review. Look out on what the new KQi3, what the KQi3 MAX. Okay, it says a new forward, right?
Way forward.
Okay, say cheese. Thank you, Baba.